Alright, now I have the Dino Charged Blue Ranger. It's an amazing figure. Bought him for $5.99 from Ross. I wanted to pick up a second one because he has his helmet plus his alternate head, and that's a really good looking alternate head. I'm thinking about buying a second one if I find it. I don't know. This one might have been sold out very quickly. I'm very happy to find them. Here's his alternate head, or the helmet. It's really cool. And his sword. The effect on the sword. And two grip hands, or pistol hands. I love the effects that Power Rangers gives you. The lightning flexion. The lightning effects. Figure. Whoa. Man, that's a beautiful headpiece. Look at that. It's like a K-pop star or something. Look at the scales on his arms. It's awesome. I wish Power Rangers would give us figures with plain clothes, because I feel like in Power Rangers, when you watch it, half of the time they're in their plain clothes. Look at his shoulder pad. It's pretty awesome. Oh, he doesn't want to stand. The thing with Power Rangers is this torso part is always loose with most of the figures. So it doesn't like feel like a brand new figure. It feels like a used figure or something. Can it stand straight? There you go. And I dropped his pistol earlier. Let me find that. Ooh. Okay, I have his pistol. We were supposed to be able to put in another effect in there, but I guess they didn't include it. It looks like it has like tiger stripes. It's pretty cool. So, check out his fist arms. And put in his grip arms, his grip hands. There we go. Oof. Put in the sword. Man, that looks great. Well, it doesn't have a holster for his pistol. Most of the other Power Rangers have holsters. I guess Dino Charge didn't have it. I didn't watch Dino Charge. I did watch the latest one, Cosmic Fury. Thought that was a pretty good Power Ranger series. I think it was only 10 episodes though. There we go. Wow, beautiful figure. I'm very glad I found him. Maybe I should go back and grab a second one so that I can display one with his helmet and one without his helmet. All right, thank you for watching.